So I've been getting a lot of questions about my favorite candles recently. So let's do an unboxing together of my all-time favorite candle company, Thompson Ferrier. I have been using these candles since 2019, so I can very safely say they are definitely my favorites. As you can see, it comes in this beautiful box. This is a fantastic gift, by the way. Like, you want to give an extra bougie gift, Thompson Ferrier. Care instructions card, which is very important to read if you want your candles to last a long time and to burn correctly. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. Look at this. This is the gold metallic Buddha. In the scent of Palo Santo, some of the fragrance notes that you'll find in here are tobacco flower, whipped vanilla, creamy woods, white birch, and Tamir pepper. It's a beautiful way to scent your home and to just add a beautiful piece of decor to your environment. And the best part about these candles as well is that